In this video we're going to be adding two numbers together where there are going to be some exchanges across to the tens. So our first addition is 208 add 313. So what we'll do first is we'll write this as our column addition. There are two ways to do this. There's one with a place value chart and there's one just using our method. So with our method here, our column method, I do 8 add 3, which I know is 11, which is 1, 1 and a 10. We then add our tens column, which is 0, add 1, which is 1, add another, which is 2, and then add our hundreds, 3 and 2, which is 5. Now this might be tricky for some children, so what we would do is we'd ask them to write the question out in column method and to use the place value grid. So they do their 100, their tens and their ones column. Like so. Then we draw these numbers in. So my first number is 208. So I've got 200s, 0 tens and 8 ones. I'll then draw my next number, which is 313, 300s, 110 and 3 ones. So what we need to do is we need to group the ones to make a 10 and exchange it. So I've got 8, 9, 10. So here are my 10 ones. I'll group them and I'll exchange them into another 10. So in my ones column I have got 1 remaining. In my tens column I've got 0, 0 tens are 2 tens, and then I've got my 100 column, 200 add 300, which is 500. I'll do another example. So I've got 204 add 117. So what I would do is I'd write this out in column method first. Again, some children might be able to work this out using the column method. So 4 and 7 is 11. Go to my tens column, 0 add 1 is 1. Add another 1 here, as my 10 is 2 tens in there. And then 200 add 100 is 300. Again, some children might need to draw this on a place value grid. Sorry. So what I do is my hundreds, my tens and my ones. So I started my first number, 204. So I've got 200s, 0 tens and 4 ones. My next number is 117, 110, so 100, 110 and 7 ones. So what I need to do with my ones, I group them and exchange them into a 10. So I've got 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I group them and exchange them into a 10. Now in my ones column I have 1 remaining. In my tens I've got 0 tens add 2 tens, which is 2 tens, and in my hundreds I've got 200 add 100, which is 300.